Studying, especially during winter season, is one of the hard activities, especially during nights. If you don't study in a room where there is heater or any other way of heat present, then it automatically becomes one of the hard activities which you have to deal on a daily basis. The discomfort in your environment is not a big problem if you are motivated enough, but for some it's hard because our body uses certain amount of energy in maintaining our body temperature also. So energy requirement increases in our body during winters. Studying habits for someone might be different from other, but ideally to make our brain work for longer hours, we need to make our study routine in accordance with the temperature to get maximum output from our study, especially in winters. In this video, I will tell you some practical ways by which you can easily study during winter or with less effort. And in the end of this video, I will tell you about the best time from my observation for studying in winters. So let's start it. First, we need to understand optimum temperature at which our mind works in its full efficiency. The temperature may vary from person to person, but according to a research, 20 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius is considered as best temperature for maximum concentration in studying. So we need to understand one thing, that we should try to avoid studying during late night like after 1 am or early morning before 6 am, because during these times temperature is at their lowest. Now here are some tips for you. Change study environment for better concentration. Changing your study environment time to time is better because it will help you to study better. Try to study at lighted environment during daytime. You will be surprised how fun studying can be when you are in fresh surroundings. Don't waste afternoon by sleeping. Some people used to take break during afternoon and they sleep during these times. Afternoon is the time when the sun is up at its brightest. So don't let these golden hours of productivity go by sleeping or wasting in some other work. Instead, use it by study outdoors if possible. In winter, to get more energy, you need to avoid taking junk foods. In place of that, you can take hot drinks like soup made of vegetables or chicken. These types of food gives you more energy for studying, especially for longer hours. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Generally, during winters, people don't drink much water. Water helps you to regulate your internal body temperature. So don't forget to drink plenty of water every day. As darkness starts coming early, sometimes you might find it more challenging to stay motivated and energetic during evening hours. So it becomes important to spend every day in sunlight, even it's for few minutes, as sunlight gives you heat energy and it is also a source of vitamin D. So spend every day in sunlight, even it's for few minutes. Now it's time for the best time from my observation for studying in winters, and that is 8 am to 8 pm, because during these times you don't feel much cold, so you won't find it hard to wake up and leave your bed and even studying as compared to late night or early morning, as temperature is not that low at these times. I hope you find this video helpful, especially during winters. If you find value in this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.